What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you don't know that I love Detroit style pizza, you don't know Panda. I love Detroit style pizza. I love pizza in general, and it's a good example of how much I love it is there's a place called Buddy's Pizza in Detroit. I loved it growing up, Detroit style pan pizza. And I even went to their website to see, sometimes pizza places will freeze their pizza and FedEx them overnight at ridiculous prices, but they don't even do that. And so I was always like, well, you can't get Detroit style pizza out here. Until the one day I went to the grocery store and discovered this Outsiders Pizza Company. Now, I showed you an Outsiders Pizza Company. I think it was their multiple cheese pizza here, and brought it home, cooked it up, baked it up, and it was delish. And in fact, how much do I love it? I'm wearing an Outsiders Pizza Company shirt right now. Listen, so clearly that sold me, and they make a variety of other pizzas too. The Detroit style one is obviously the one that I am smitten over. But this is a different one. This is the Genoa salami and brick cheese one. So this is maybe even a little bit more of the traditional pizza. You can see here, looks like, pepperonis on there, basically big chunks of cheese, covered in sauce and a big, focaccia-like dough in this, paper-like tray. And so we should get a nice crisp edge. Now, it's really easy to make these things. It's frozen right here. So all you do is take it out of the wrapper, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then bake this sucker in the tray for 24 minutes, 27 minutes if you want a little crispier. I might go 26 minutes. Let's get this thing baked up and eat it. 400 degrees. Let's get this sucker in here. I'm going to put it on the top level and then set this thing for 26 minutes. All right, guys, it looks like it's done to me. I will tell you what, I put it in for 26 minutes, but a little steamy. At the 21st minute here, I think I'm gonna call it. So, as you can see there, it looks pretty done to me. Gonna give it a second here to rest, and then I'm going to give it an eaten. Okay, guys, the smell is glorious. Takes me back to Detroit. I just cut a piece out of it. You can see this big doughy focaccia type of bread. It's not really focaccia. That's always what I kind of think of it as. You can see here how caramelized cheese around the outside. Detroit pizza here. This description, boss of pillowy and delicious. You can see how much they love it too, because I do. So, and you can just see how thick it is, right? I mean, it's just super thick. I love the cheese and sauce on there. I've cut myself a piece here. You can see the pepperonis all bowled up with a nice little charred edge. And then the beautiful thing is, especially when it gets crispy on the edge near the pan, so all the crust is kind of crunchy on that side. But the question is, what does it taste like? Oh, you can see the spices underneath the cheese and the sauce here. All right. Oh, yeah, baby! Detroit style pizza. That salami is wicked. Brick cheese, Detroit style pizza. Detroit versus everybody. But if you want to be part of Detroit, not the everybody, pick up one of these. Outsiders Pizza Company. I just found in my grocer, and I'm glad I did. This won't be the last one we're trying. Check it out. I'll put a link to their stuff in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.